Welcome guys to this tutorial. In this video I will be talking about how you can set up upload defaults on YouTube. What that means is that you can set up some default settings, so whenever you upload a new video these settings will be already selected, which is very useful because you don't have to set up these settings every single time. This is very useful, especially if you upload many videos. So for example, you have set up a schedule that you will upload certain amount of videos per week, and so you save this extra few minutes every time you upload. So let's get right into it. I am in my studio, and you can see here on the left side there is a button called settings, which is where you have to go, and then there is something called upload defaults. Press that and you will see three different categories. So first of all there is the basic info, and that is for title. So you can set up some information that will always appear in the title. So for example, I could set up, since my channel is mainly about how to, I could write how to and save that. Alternatively, you might have some other information in the title that always appears, and you would put that information right here. Description. This is very useful because here I usually put, as you can see, links to social media. You can put maybe affiliate links or other information that is always appears on your description. But when you upload, obviously I would hit a few times enter, and then I would just type the unique information about the video and describe the video. But for the links, so that you don't have to copy and paste it every time, this is very useful. Visibility. So here you can select from the three options. I recommend to choose private or unlisted by default, because when you upload you want to make sure that YouTube processes the video, you have enough time to set up all of those keywords and so on. So I would recommend one of these, and when you have done editing and set up the video, then you would select public or scheduled. Then tags. In a similar way, if you, for example, always put your channel name in the tags or something like that, then you can put that info here as well. Let's go to advanced settings. So here you can choose the two different licenses. I recommend to leave on standard YouTube license. I believe that the other one is for if you want others to use your content freely. Then there is the category. So choose the category where most of your videos would fall into. Video language, so that will help YouTube to understand which language and use the auto captions. Certifications, I think that's, yeah, if your content appeared on US television. So for me it's I will have selected none. Community contributions, that means that people can make subtitles in other languages, so they can submit that. I would have to review and accept those subtitles. Comments, so here you can choose the different settings for comments. So allow all comments, hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, hold all comments for review, disable comments. And users can view ratings for this video. And then finally it's the monetization, so you can also select which type of ads you want to be selected automatically when you upload. After you have written all of this information and made the appropriate choices, click save, and that will save your upload default settings. So I hope that this will save you some time. So remember to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel for more content about technologies, for tutorials similar like this one, and I hope that I will see you guys in my next video.